Good evening, and thanks for watching WCCO and CBSN Minnesota. In just a matter of hours, the former police officer who murdered George Floyd will learn how long he'll stay behind bars. A judge will deliver Derek Chauvin's sentence tomorrow afternoon in Minneapolis. State guidelines call for 12.5 years, but the judge says there are aggravating factors in this case, including Chauvin abusing his position as a Minneapolis officer, acting with particular cruelty, and killing Floyd in front of children. WCCO's Esme Murphy explains what to expect inside the courtroom.
We brought our questions to Joe Tamburino, a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with this case.
How much does aggravating factors factor into a sentence?
Quite a bit, because this sentence under the guidelines should be 150 months, which is 12.5 years. However, the judge could go up to 40 years.
At least 4 members of George Floyd's family are expected to give victim impact statements.
Do those have an impact on the sentence the judge imposes?
Yes, it could very well have an impact. Judges still don't make the final determination as to what the actual sentence should be until they've heard the full sentencing hearing.
How about Derek Chauvin? Will Derek Chauvin speak at this sentencing?
I think the odds are he will, but it will be very brief. He will probably, if he decides to speak, say something like he is very sorry and he never meant to kill or harm Mr. Floyd.
The bottom line, though, Derek Chauvin is going to be sentenced to a long time in prison.
Correct. I would suspect the judge is going to give him between 25 and 30 years. The prosecutor wants 30 years. The defense wants probation or something minimal. The defense's request is not realistic.
Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
Chauvin still has to face civil rights charges in federal court. The potential penalty in that case is up to life in prison. You can scan the QR code on your screen to download our app. Then you can watch tomorrow's sentencing wherever you are on TV or CBSN Minnesota.